Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to guide you through the steps of installing Claude Code in both Visual Studio Code and Cursor. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer. On the left-hand side, you will see the extensions icon, which looks like four squares forming a larger square. Click on it. In the search bar at the top, type Claude Code and press Enter. You should now see the extension in the results. Click on the Install button to add it to your editor. After installation, you may be prompted to reload the window for the extension to become active. Simply click the Reload button and Visual Studio Code will restart with Claude Code installed. Once installed, you can open the command palette by pressing Ctrl+Shift+P on Windows or Command+Shift+P on Mac. In the search field, type Claude and you will see a list of available commands provided by the extension. From here, you can use Claude to help with code generation, explanations, or editing directly inside your editor. You may also be asked to provide an API key depending on how the extension connects to Anthropic services. If that is the case, sign into your Anthropic account, create an API key, and paste it into the extension settings inside Visual Studio Code. Now, let us look at how to do the same thing in Cursor. Cursor is a code editor built with AI features in mind. Open Cursor and go to the top left corner. Here you will see the same extension icon. Click on it and search again for Claude Code and select it from the results. Click Install and allow the editor to enable the extension. Just like in Visual Studio Code, you may need to reload the editor once installation is complete. After that, open the command palette and type Claude to see the available commands. From this point, the workflow is the same. You can run commands, generate code, and ask for explanations directly inside your project. Thanks for watching.